Hey buddy. How are you?
Long time no see.
Yeah bro, going well, and what about you?
I'm in a small situation bro, don't know what to do.
What's the matter? Tell me, maybe I could help you.
Bro, my father's 65th birthday is next month.
Is that a problem?
Bro, let me finish.
Yeah buddy, what's the matter?
I don't have any idea, what should I present him as his birthday gift?
Oh, that's a tricky one. I can feel your situation.
Bro, can you help me with this situation?
Let me think bro. What your father like these days?
Nowadays he loves yoga, news, walking.
Oh. No. What did your father like the most at his young age?
I think he loves scooters. He always talks about his old Lambretta, riding with mom on the highways, and stories about it. When he starts about the Lambretta stories while eating, we all hear it like small children.
That's it, we should surprise him with an old beautiful scooter like a Lambretta.
Great idea bro, but that's not possible. Finding an old Lambretta and restoring it, that's a hassle and expensive thing.
No, not at all.
Do you have any idea about the spare parts? Where do you think we will get those spare parts?
Bro, just hear me out. Don't you ever hear about this RagillySpares?
What's that company for?
Come bro, let's sit and talk.
RagillySpares is the world's largest company that exports vintage scooter spare parts.
Is it? Every part?
Yes bro, each and every part you can get it from there. You can give old scooter a new life.
Man, that's awesome. How about the pricing and shipping?
They deliver everywhere in this world, and the pricing is the best part. You can get it at the most affordable price, and they even don't compromise in the quality too.
Bro, it sounds just amazing and we should start the project as soon as possible.
Yes bro, they are not just helping to restore old scooters, also they help to keep the legacy of these vintage beauties.
Let's do it, man. Papa, you got a small surprise.
Son, you don't have any idea how much this scooter means to me.
I know Papa, that's why I choose this precious vintage gift for your special day.
Thank you my son, and how did you make this look like a new scooter?
Well, thanks to RagillySpares.
Papa, they send all spare parts, even the rare ones too, at the most affordable price. They give this vintage beauty a new life.
That's great son, and you think I can purchase some spare parts from them when my vintage beauty got some repair?
Yes, Papa, you can check their website and place the order from RagillySpares.
Thank you very much son, come on let's have a ride together.
Please do like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss new video updates. Thanks for watching.